Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to tap on them now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see now, by using them I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have to pick the shooting methods. And now at the first place we have press volume keys 2 option, so when we tap on it we can decide if we want to use them as take picture or record video, which is now zoom in or out, or control system volume. Now let me change this to zoom in or out to show you how it works different. Let's go back to the camera, and now let me try to tap on these buttons once again. And as you can see now, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on the volume buttons. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.